about your age.
Look, would you like something cool or something before you go to work? Some iced tea?
Yeah, cold beer would be great.